If you're trying to redeem your Roblox gift card, then you're watching the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you the exact section from where you can easily redeem the Roblox that you bought or that you have. So without any further ado in this video, let's get right into it. Firstly, open up your web browser and search for Roblox Redeem on the search bar. Once you search for this, you can see the first result which says login to Roblox, and it also says redeem right here. So just click on this link and it's going to take you to the redeem section. But however, if you have not logged in to your Roblox account using this web browser, you'll firstly need to log in. So once you are logged in, you'll land on this section. And along with redeeming through this section, you can also buy gift card by clicking on the buy now option right here. Now the only thing that you need to do is type in the code that you have on your gift card, and then you can just click on redeem. And once this gift card has been redeemed, you can easily use them to buy Robux as well. So that's how easily you can redeem your Roblox gift card. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.